Bowtie.
Yeah?
Since you were such a good assistant to the younger, stronger, faster contractor, David, happy Father's Day.
Oh, how cool! Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I have been wanting something for bigger, better, faster seed starting.
Our stuff is old, cracked. It's really
Well, and I did a video not long ago on the Jiffy stuff, and I've been using that stuff for 7 years, and I'll still continue using it, but we have plans. We are doing something additional this year. As part of the garden club, we're planning on a bunch of, oh my goodness, we're planning on a bunch of more plants this year. This is the ultimate backyard, what is it again?
Ultimate Backyard Bundle from Bootstrap Farmer.
From Bootstrap Farmer. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look and see what's in here. So, oh my goodness, look at these domes. Oh, we got big domes, big tall domes. Look at that. How many? 5 of them? Oh wow.
They're extra strength tall domes.
That, looky here. These are seed start. Oh, and they got the big hole in the bottom. Look at that for your finger.
So in there are 66 cell seed plugs.
Is that 360? Oh my goodness, how many trays are there? So yeah, look at those. It's got the little slots in here for the air pruning of the roots. These are tough. These are real strong.
Exactly.
That's awesome. And then so when we go...
And you would be able to cultivate your plugs in there, and then we could transplant them up for what we want to give away and sell. These are ours.
Now these are ours. Anybody who gets our plants, you're not going to be getting these, I guarantee. But, so wow, those are 93.3 inch pots. Wow. That's, oh, and they're
beautiful.
Oh, and look at the bottom. They have really good drainage holes. Look at how good the drainage holes are. And a nice big hole for your finger or something to push up the plant out if you ever have to.
And of course they're colored.
Look at the colors. This is awesome.
Colors are beautiful.
Okay.
You can also get them in black, but I wanted the color.
I see.
I wanted David to have the colors.
Okay. I do like, oh!
Yep, those are the inserts for the pots. There are 5 of them, and then 5 trays to go with them.
Wow.
5 doves.
So 5 trays, different colors. Oh, this is so awesome.
Well, the colors match the trays.
I know. They're all the same sets of colors. These are awesome. I love them. That's going to be very useful.
And the 6 cell ones also go in the trays.
Yes, I'm sure.
With the insert.
Probably 6 of them in a tray.
Probably.
I would imagine. Oh, no, not 6. Wow, more than 6. So look at there. 12 6L trays go in that. That's awesome. I am so excited. We're going to have a lot of seeds starting next year.
Yeah. So from there, you plug them up into here or into the ones we're going to give away.
Yep, and these go in.
Hopefully sell. I want to sell some next year.
Yep. Oh, that'll be nice. Okay. Because we'll be able to lift all of them out. Yes, and we're hoping to sell plants next year. I think that might be part of our plan for making a little bit of more money. I know Joe Lample does his sale, and I've been watching him for years.
Yeah.
I want to do.
We're looking at possibly, I don't know about doing it in the front yard, but we have several farmers markets. There's one down on Grand Boulevard. We might look at doing something like that. We might look at going to a couple of festivals.
You know who?
And getting a booth. We'll see.
You know who has offered us space in his booth?
Who?
Jeff Chesser.
Oh, our bee guy.
Local Destin Honey, our bee guy.
Yeah.
He's actually,
that would be good. We sell pollinators. With
yes,
okay,
absolutely.
Pollinator plants.
Imagine if we sold a bunch of flowers.
Yeah.
Or some, oh. Well, thank you, dear, as a special Father's Day.
You're
I am
welcome.
so excited. Been looking at this very kit for years.
Yeah, you wanted this for a while, and
yes.
I felt like now we had a purpose for it.
This is awesome.
I didn't think we needed it before we knew what we were going to do with all of it.
I didn't think you needed it until you got involved and told me what we're going to do with all of it. Mrs. Bowtie has helped out a lot in the garden.
You would think that I was bossy or something.
Well, you are, and that's what I need. I frequently say, No, I frequently say I'm a loose cannon and you're the gunner sergeant. So you point that loose cannon in a direction and I go. So
Okay.
you give my activity purpose.
Yeah,
Thank you,
because
my
we're going to
dear.
get started a lot earlier next season and get a lot more plants started up. And okay, so that's the goal, to get started a lot earlier next season.
Yeah.
Maybe about mid-January.
Woo-wee. I can't imagine.
Instead of starting in March.
Or June.
We're
Well,
actually be on time for
there you
once.
go. And that's because of her. So
Not just me.
yeah, that is. Being on time is just you, because I've never, well, I think my first year I might have been on time.
Oh, we only had like 6 plants.
Don't you remember that extra bedroom was full of seed starts?
I don't know.
Oh my
But I
god.
remember what was out on the patio of the apartment.
Yeah. All right, folks. Your garden doesn't have to be perfect, but this sure helps. Happy Father's Day. Have a blessed day, friend.
And makes it pretty.